Hey guys, it's Kristen. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to do 3 different slip knots. Now the slip knot is very important to know because it's the first thing you have to do with every single crochet project. I decided to show you 3 because if one doesn't work, then you still have a couple others to choose from. Now, before we jump into the video, if you like it, please give me a thumbs up. It really helps a lot. And then don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more. And you can hit this bell if you want to be alerted when I upload a new video. With this first option, you're going to use 4 to 6 inches of yarn, and then you're going to stick your pointer finger out. Then wrap the shorter end in front of your finger and hold it there with your thumb. Now grab the yarn from the back and wrap it around one more time. Then pinch the 2 pieces of yarn with your middle finger and your thumb to hold them in place. Now grab the yarn that's on the left and pull it over the right. Then again, the yarn on the left, but now pull it over your finger completely and just pull tight. So let me show you how to do that one more time. You're going to stick your pointer finger out, put the yarn over your finger with the shorter end in the front, and then hold it with your thumb. Now grab the yarn in the back and wrap it around your finger one more time. You'll then pinch the 2 pieces of yarn with your middle finger and your thumb to hold them in place. Now grab the yarn that's on the left and wrap it over top of the one on the right. And again, grab the one on the left and pull it completely off your finger and pull tight. Option 2 is how I do a slip knot. So I'm going to wrap it around my thumb and then pinch the base to make a loop. So again, just wrap it around your thumb and pinch the base. So now we have a loop, and you're going to take this shorter end and put it through the loop. Grab it with your fingers and then pull that and the other yarn in the opposite direction to pull tight. So let me show you again one more time how to do that. You're going to wrap it around your thumb and pinch the base to make a loop. Then we're taking the shorter piece of yarn and placing that through the loop that you just made. Pinch it with your fingers and pull the 2 pieces of yarn hanging down in the opposite direction to tighten it. Now on to option 3. This time you're going to stick both your middle and your pointer finger out, and you're going to wrap the yarn around your fingers with the shorter end being in the front. Put your thumb in the middle to hold it, and now grab the yarn from the back, pull it forward, and loop it back across the front of your fingers until you make an X. So now put your thumb in the middle of the X so it doesn't move. Flip your fingers around so it's facing you, and you should see 2 pieces of yarn hanging down. You're then going to grab your crochet hook, and we're going to go under the first one and hook the second one. Pull the second one back underneath the first and gently wiggle your fingers out. Now all you have to do is grab the 2 pieces of yarn at the bottom and pull tight. This loop will be much larger, so you will need to pull the 2 strands of yarn in opposite directions to tighten it. Okay, let me show you that one more time. So you're going to stick your pointer and middle finger out, lay the yarn across with the shorter end in the front, then grab the yarn from the back and pull it forward and across to make an X. Place your thumb in the middle to hold it in place, and then turn your fingers. Now you have the 2 yarns sticking down, so you're going to grab your crochet hook, go under the first, and hook the second. Pull the second one through, and wiggle your fingers out. Now you just have to pull the yarn in opposite directions to tighten the knot. Alright guys, so that's it for today's video. I hope you liked it, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to comment below so that I know you were here, and subscribe if you want to see more. You can hit this bell to be alerted when I upload a new video. I'll see you next time.